Ninja air fry oven fan not spinning or runs loud? Fix it fast. If your Ninja air fry oven's fan won't spin, spins late, or makes loud rattling noises, it's more than just annoying. It can cause overheating, uneven cooking, and even mid-cook shutdowns. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Cool down and unplug the oven. Never check the fan while the oven is plugged in. Give it at least 15 minutes to cool before you start. This keeps you safe and can reset the fan's thermal cutoff if it overheated. Step 2. Clear the rear exhaust vent. The SP101 pushes hot air out through the vent on the back. If grease or crumbs clog the mesh, heat builds up and the fan can strain or run louder than normal. Wipe the vent with a soft, heat-safe cleaning cloth. I've linked the one I use below, which removes light grease without scratching nonstick surfaces. Step 3. Check for loose debris inside. If the fan sounds loud, uneven, or like it's hitting something, crumbs or flaked coating may be inside. With the oven unplugged, tilt it forward slightly and tap the sides gently. This can shake loose anything touching the blades. Step 4. Stop vibration at the source. A loud humming or rattling can come from the fan mount or even the oven body vibrating against the counter. Make sure the oven is level and all 4 feet are solid on the surface. A thin, heat-safe mat underneath can help absorb noise. Step 5. Keep the air path clear. When cooking, in air fry, roast, or broil modes, avoid pushing trays or food against the back wall. Leave at least an inch of space so hot air can flow out of the exhaust freely. Blocking it can make the fan work harder and run louder. Step 6. Know when it's a mechanical fault. If the fan still doesn't spin or keeps running loud after cleaning and clearing airflow, the motor, sensor, or control board may be at fault. In that case, contact Ninja support using the link in the description before using it again. If this got your oven's fan running smoothly and quietly again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a vent-safe cloth for cleaning without scratching, I've linked the one I use below. Thanks for watching, and keep the air moving.